Good morning, students. Today we discuss the last problem of your orthographic view and sections. So this is the problem number 6 that is given here, that draw. Number 1 is half sectional front view, full sectional right side view and top view of this object. You can see here in your screen that this is the front of this object, means arrow sign is there, means I am standing here and I have to draw. Drawing is the same, but the problem is that you have to draw half sectional front view, full sectional right side view and top view. So half sectional front view means we have to cut this section just like this. This is our cutting plane, the center, and we remove this portion, this half portion. This is 1/4 of the total object. To remove this 1/4 portion of the total object. This is the half section, just like this, and from here cut this portion just like this. This is the, I am showing you a figure, that is this portion. This is the half sectional front view. If this is our front, now this is our front side. Now we have to remove this 1/4 cut and 1/4 of this object. Understand? We have to remove under 1/4 of the object, and whatever we see after cutting, that we have to draw in our drawing. So half sectional front view means we remove, after cutting, we remove this portion and we have to draw whatever we see after cutting. Understand? So this is our half sectional front view. So if we cut the portion, you can see here the half sectional front view, full sectional right side view, means that this is our right side. If I standing here, so this is our front and this side is our right side, means right hand side view means full sectional means we have to remove the half portion, remove this portion, and we can see the then full section, means remove half portion, that is full sectional right side view. Now after cutting the half from here and remove this portion, then whatever we see, that is our full sectional right side view and top view. Top view is not a sectional view, that is as it is, just like this. This is your top view. So you have to draw the half sectional front view of this object. Top view is the same as before. Top view is same as before, as we draw in our third problem. The top view is the same, but here the front view and half sectional front view and full sectional right view we have to draw here. Okay, that is a new thing that is for you. So full sectional right side view. So according to the first angle projection, front view we have to draw front view here, because we have to draw right side view also, means right side view means that we have to draw the left hand side of the front view. So we have to draw right hand side view, full sectional view here, and front view here, and below the front view we have to draw the top view. So we have to draw top view here, front view here. Front view means half sectional front view, and full sectional right hand side view in this portion, and top view just below the front view, as I told before. Now first of all we draw the half sectional front view. So this is our front side. From here to here, that is how much distance? This is 75 millimeter. This distance is how much? This is 75 millimeter. So take the extreme bottom portion, extreme left hand side corner, just like this corner. We select here these corners, because this is xy and x dashed y dashed. Suppose this is x dashed y dashed. Understand? So xy and x dash are two lines, and draw 10 millimeter apart from this line. We draw another line, and similarly xy above 10 millimeter and 10 millimeter we draw a two thin lines, and this is a thick line. Understand? Now this portion is place this portion of this object here, and what is the length of this object? That is 75 millimeter. So draw 75 millimeter. Suppose from here to here, that is 75 millimeter. As I told before, draw the same. And the height is how much? Height is given here, that is 10 millimeter. It is 100 millimeter, and this lane is 75 millimeter, and height is 10 millimeter. So draw 10 millimeter. Suppose this is 10 millimeter. The bed height, thickness of the bed. Suppose this is 10 millimeter. Understand? This is 10 millimeter. And what is should be the center? This is the center. A circular portion is there. So draw, take the center of this. Suppose this is 75 means 37.5, and draw a horizontal line, center line. Draw a horizontal center line from here. Horizontal center line from here. This is the center line, and what should be the height? What should be the height from here to here? This height is given how much? Height is given 30. That is, height is given 30 millimeter height. So take 30 millimeter from here. 30 millimeter. Suppose this up to this point. This is from here to here 30 millimeter. And the diameter is given how much? Diameter is given 40. So take 40 from 20 here and 20 in this side. So this is our 40 millimeter, and draw horizontal line just like for the cylindrical. Another thing is there, this another hollow portion at the bottom, that is whose diameter is 20, means its diameter is 20 and depth is how much? 20 millimeter. So suppose this is 20, from here to here this is 20 millimeter, 10 millimeter depth. From here to here this is 20 millimeter. So that is 20 millimeter means from here to here take 10 here and draw that is a hole inside that. If the view is not a sectional view, then we can't see it from the front view. So draw dashed line. First of all, draw dashed line for this hollow. This is a blind hole, not a through hole. Blind hole whose depth is how much? 20 millimeter. So at the depth is a blind hole, not a hollow hole, through hole. So height is how much? Depth is 20 millimeter, and diameter from here to here, that is 21, means radius is 10 millimeter. And you can see the 4 holes are there, 1, 2, 3, the back side of this, that is not seen in this drawing. So we have to draw only 2 holes, because this hole is just behind that. So you have to draw these 2 holes, but in the front view we can't see the hole also. So this hole we can draw how far, that is center is 10 millimeter, and its diameter is also how much, that is 510 millimeter. Means take 10 millimeter at a center. This is the center of this hole. Take 10 millimeter from this side also. Suppose this is 10 millimeter, and draw a center, and the whole diameter is 10 millimeters, 5 millimeter diameter, radius 5 millimeter radius. This side total is 10 diameter. So draw another hole is there that we can see from the front. Similarly 5 two holes are here. We can represent this by this dashed line. And another thing is there, the one rib, two triangular rib. One is this side and another one is in the right hand side. So in the front view, just join this represent the rib. Understand? Now if the half sectional front view means we are cutting the 1/4 of the object, as I told you before that we cut the 1/4 of the object. 1/4 of the object means just like this. We cut this portion and seeing from that side. Whatever we see from this side, so that I have to draw here. Now, if we cut the 1/4 section, then you can see in the drawing that this portion we can see half. We cut from here, we cut from here, and this portion we can see after cutting this portion, this inner portion. If we remove the front 1/4 side, then we see the this portion also, this portion also. Understand? So draw it as a continuous line, and the rib, so this line then is invisible from this side. This line is invisible, so erase this line and make a dotted line here. Make a dotted line here. And this that we can't see from the front, this half 1/4 section. This bottom we can see here. We cut this, means here is a line that we can see it from, and bottom portion that we can see, and this portion that is that we can see from the front after remove the 1/4 section, just like this is the, but bottom we can see. And if we cut the 1/4, then the front hole is out. Front hole is not there because we remove the 1/4 section, means half section. So only we can see the back side, one hole is there. Now this portion is a cutting portion. Now draw the cutting face. So this is the cutting face. In our sectional front view, cutting face is just like this. Understand? So this is the sectional front view, that you can see here, this is a sectional front view, because we have already cut the rib is at the middle, so we have also cut the rib portion. So this is the sectional front view, half sectional front view. Understand? Now keep dimension as it is, as before. What should be the height? Understand? Now this is the so this is the half sectional front view of this object. And now give the dimension, put the dimension everywhere. And now we have to draw the full sectional right side view. Full sectional right side view means this is our right side. If this is our front, this is our right side. So cut this portion from here and remove the front portion, because it is a full section, means cut this object from the half and remove the half portion, and whatever we see from this side, that is our full sectional right side view. So full sectional right side view, just like this, you can see, draw the projection line from here, and this is the, we put this corner here, here, this corner here, and draw the thickness. And what is should be the width? That is 60. Means from here to here, suppose this is 60. Suppose this is 60. This is 60, and full sectional means this is 60, and from here to here is how much? From here to here is how much distance from this side? Total is 60, and the diameter is, outer diameter is 40. Means this is from this side, this is 10 millimeter, and from this side also 10 millimeter. So take 10 millimeter from this side and 10 millimeter from this side also, and this side. So you can draw, so we draw the height, that is 30. This is the projection line of this. So extend this portion vertically, this portion vertically, that is the height, and apart at the what's the center, this is this center line. Suppose this is the center line, and the rib thickness, front rib is removed, but in the back side another rib is there whose thickness is 10 millimeter. So take 5 millimeter from here and 5 millimeter and here, but in the full section also you can see it from the right hand side. So draw it is a dashed line for the rib portion. Understand? The rib portion up to that point, that is a hatch line. And what should be the depth? That is 20 millimeter for the inner diameter of this cylindrical portion, and 520. So 520 means take 10 here and take 10 here from this side, and draw up to 20 millimeter depth. This is 20 millimeter depth. Suppose up to that, this is 20 millimeter. So draw this. And sectional portion, which one is the sectional portion? Sectional faces are that is represented by this hatching line. The sectional portion is represented by the hatching line, that you can see here. This portion is the sectional portion. So this is the full sectional right side view. If we remove by cutting from the middle the half portion and remove the half portion after cutting, then whatever we see from this side, this is the view of sectional view, and the sectional surface that is marked here by our hatching line, this hatching line. To understand, this is the half sectional front view, this is the full sectional right side view, and top view. As before we can see here, top view is just like this. Draw the projection line, here, extend the projection line up to that point, and this line also. So this is the outer portion, some radius is there given at the